Working on your car or professional repairing project, you'll be good going if you have a well-equipped garage, or else you have to face a great hassle and flaws for sure. So now, let's look at some genius tools for garage workshops that you must have. Meet your new workshop member. It's a creeper with a bunch of cool features. This FastBack Pro has 7-inch dual-tread all-terrain wheels that make it ultra-stable and allows incredible control. The first pro of this tool is it can roll over pretty much anything on a regular garage floor. You'll get ultimate comfort and effortless maneuverability with its exceptional design. Want to know the coolest part? You can apply more power for tightening jobs because of its 3-wheel design. Finally, the magnetic work lights and integrated tool trays will make your underneath car repairing more convenient than ever. This utility seat doubles as a toolbox, making it the most impressive addition to your workshop. The heavy-duty swivel casters provide easy maneuverability. The thick padded seat has a vinyl cover that gives you maximum comfort for small to long-term applications. Every mechanic will love it for the 3 drawers with ball-bearing slides that can store a wide variety of tools. On the other side, it has a twin-capacity drinks holder and screwdriver storage rack to quickly access your tools. And the folding side trays make space for parts and fixings. Keep all the common tools to hand and sit wherever you want. Big bolts need a big tool to be tightened, but what if you can do that with a compact one? This Nobar Evo Torque battery tool will make all the tightening jobs a breeze. First, you'll get the tool and accessories in a heavy-duty storage box. Assemble it perfectly, then set the target torque and angle by pressing the buttons on top, and you'll get all the information on its convenient display. Next, make sure to attach the right impact quality ratchet and fix it with a retaining device. Oh, it's handy too. Now let's start tightening all the big bolts. Okay, how often have you been hurt by the sharp edges of nylon cable ties? This cable tie gun you see here will keep you safe from that. This blue gun is designed to pull nylon cable ties easily and neatly cut off any excess part after tensioned without leaving any harmful edges. With a tension adjustment wheel, it allows you to cut cables without damaging the harness sheath. Just tie the cables wherever you need and cut them perfectly with a simple press. You can use this tie tensioning gun for years to come with its durable design. Maybe you don't want to get your hands wounded again. We know tire servicing is tough enough, but this Bead Bazooka lets you handle them easily. This compact little monster is the next generation bead seater that can handle a huge range of tires from motorcycles to commercial trucks. Worried about hassle-full servicing? No problem. This tool has an easily serviceable RAR valve that ensures maximum lifespan. Oh, your workshop got a lot of tire servicing to do. Pick up this Bead Bazooka and get all of them done in no time. Now here is something that is suitable for all car workshop workers. This Duobond Dark Blue repair is an innovative and powerful way to deal with easy to tough windshield repairings. It easily removes the air from star cracks in laminated windshields, taking no time at all. The best part of this tool is it has a high-quality rubber seal with a large opening so you can tackle sensitive operations safely. Just place it at the exact position and the injector effectively sucks the air out of the impact. Adding bulky devices to your workshop doesn't seem so comfortable. This car lifter you see here is a compact yet powerful solution to lift your cars for servicing. With a size similar to a drill, it gets operated just like one. Just place the metal lifter underneath your car, attach the motor handle, and press. Your car will be lifted up with zero hassle and proper safety. With the fast and reverse gear mechanism, you can easily lift your car down after completing the job. This Quick Pro can also power a handy impact wrench when in need. Keep this tiny guy nearby, because you never know when you're gonna need to lift. The next tool we're going to talk about is a perfect combination of strength and flexibility. Yep, this HAZET mini impact wrench has small dimensions but provides enough electrical energy. It has a great loosening torque that allows you to tackle a wide range of applications. And the fun part begins when you can adjust the torque between 3 different levels while tightening screws. You carry it directly on your body and use it anywhere. Well, it also integrates a convenient LED light that illuminates dark areas to keep you away from great hassles. Longer lifetime, compact size, zero maintenance, we're sure you don't need more from it. This Flexisander car sander will complete tough jobs in minutes. Well, this is a whole new way of smart and simple finishing. It's great for car body sanding and restorations. You can easily create smooth, curved surfaces with this orbital pneumatic sander, spending lower cost and less effort. Thanks to its innovative patented technology, air compressor connectivity, and dust exhaust system, every garage worker will take their productivity to the next level. No matter how the surface is, this car sander will adapt it perfectly and ensure greater productivity. So, who wants to go the extra mile at his busiest workshop? To conclude the list, here's a tool you see is the most economical way to monitor the real-time condition of the braking systems of all your vehicles. It allows you to check the condition of the DOT3, DOT4, or DOT 5.1 brake fluid. How? Well, this fluid tester features 5 LED indicator lights that will help you get information about the water content of your brake fluid. So now you know when you should change the fluid. Plus, it provides ultimate protection from dirt or damage between uses and conveniently fits in your pocket like a regular pen. No wonder you're up to replacing your old one. So, that was the list of the genius tools for garage workshop that you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.